I like to check over top of the wrist pin, basically over the center of the piston. Give it a few good turns. Make sure she's flattened out good. 36 thousandths what I'm coming up with there. I'm getting 68.8 there. Don't pay a degree wheel, you would call it 104. That's pretty dang common. That's kind of about where I figured it would open at. Alright guys, so we've got the transfer port timing, and this is a 28 degree blowdown cylinder, meaning there's 28 degrees of rotation between when the exhaust roof breaks open and when the primary transfers break open. That lets us know we will be grinding on the upper transfers, grinding on the lock. It's probably be one of the final cleanup passes. It was 45.0 millimeters on the last pass. I need to get it like it. 44.9, 44.85, somewhere in that area to where there'll be a slip filled into the cylinder. Obviously you don't want it too loose, but you don't want to have to force it up on there either. There we go guys, we've got a mandrel ready to go. I'm trying to get the best shots here, but compression. I think we ended up with 24 thou squish on this. We make compression from right here when the exhaust port shuts, and from there to the squish band are 24 thousandths from the squish band. That's all the area that we have to make compression. Okay, what happens at the compression stroke? We'll get a spark from our coil, usually just shortly before top dead center, usually 26 to 30 degrees beforehand. And we get our explosion, and this is your power stroke. You're going to make power from here to when this exhaust port cracks open. That is your power stroke. We're going to start on the side. You can do the whole damn port with these if you get them aggressive enough and take your time. They'll remove a lot of material pretty quickly. Just to give you a good look at it, right there you can kind of see how shiny she really is. Alright guys, probably wrap it up on this one, give you a finished look at everything. Again, didn't do a lot with the lowers, just don't think hogging out, think making it flow better, breathe better. The uppers turned out real nice, laid in really well, better than I thought they would. So I have no doubts this will be a good strong running little saw. Another look at the rest of the port work. Not a whole lot on the intake. You know, if you missed the previous video, you're welcome to watch it. And you know, we got a good nice finish on our exhaust port, got it widened. Again, should be a good strong running saw.